Just follow your passion sounds inspiring, but it can quietly push you into a weak business.
The internet makes it sound like passion is the main ingredient in building something successful. It is not. Passion can help you stay interested, but interest alone does not create demand, pricing power, or a customer problem worth paying to solve. A real business usually lives in the middle ground between what you enjoy, what you can do well, and what other people consistently want. This matters because a lot of early entrepreneurs think the goal is to turn their favorite hobby into income. Sometimes that works, but it is not automatically smart just because you love doing it. There are hobbies that are fun, creative, and personally rewarding, but impossible to scale, difficult to price, or far too saturated to become reliable income. And when you force a personal passion to become your source of money, you can actually damage the thing you used to enjoy. What started as freedom becomes pressure. What started as play becomes deadlines, customer expectations, and financial stress. The better question is not, what am I obsessed with? The better question is, where do my interests overlap with real demand and useful skills? You do not need to feel cinematic passion every day to build a strong business. Sometimes the smartest opportunities come from an area you simply find it interesting enough to stick with while you learn. That is more realistic. It gives you space to improve without needing some magical sense of destiny. A business does not need to be your soulmate. It needs to solve something people care about in a way that you can keep delivering well enough for long enough. Enjoyment helps. Obsession is optional. Demand is not. So stop searching for the perfect passion like it will reveal your future. Look for the overlap between interest, skill, and demand. That is where a real business usually begins.
Where's your overlap between passion, skill, and what people need? Subscribe to Pumped Entrepreneur for helpful guides.